My speech is Advancing Philippine Contributions to International Criminal Justice. The Rome Statute of the International Criminal Court. The Philippines made a signal contribution to the globalization of international justice when it ratified the Rome Statute of the International Criminal Court, which will come into force on 1 November 2011. The Philippines was the 117th state party, and today the Rome Statute has 118 state parties. Our membership in the International Criminal Court is nothing less than a signal contribution because the court is arguably the most important institutional and innovation since the founding of the United Nations. The court is a creature of the human rights agenda, which, unknown to many, has been scrupulously followed since 1935 by the Philippine Constitution. As a benchmark in the progressive development of international human rights, the court represents a triumph of international criminal justice by establishing individual criminal liability for those responsible for serious violations of the Rome Statute. The salient features of the Rome Statute are as follows. Bullet, principle of complementarity, spelled P-L-E, not P-L-I, complementarity. The court will act only as a court of last resort. It acts only in exceptional cases where a court has failed to bring justice because that court is unwilling or unable to investigate and prosecute those who have the highest responsibility for the most serious crimes of concern to the international community. Kaya nakikita mo na dito na kung merong ginawang kasalanan dito sa nakalista na mga jurisdiction ng ICC, ang magbibista niyan ay ang korte doon sa bayan na yon, hindi ang International Criminal Court in The Hague. International Criminal Court, as I said, is a court of last resort. Pag hindi mo mabigyan ng katarungan ang akusado, ayaw mo o kaya hindi mo kaya, ay saka pa lang yan pupunta sa ICC. Kaya maling-mali yung mga pinagtatanong sa akin sa Senado. Kasi hindi sila marunong magbasa. Akala ko,